Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Hi guys, my name is Adam. Bukan Ustaz Adam. Okay, wash Ustaz Adam.
Wash Ustaz Adam.
Ya, tahu nampak serupa tapi bukan dia. Okay, jangan tipu. I'm the only one, Adam Kenobi. Welcome guys, welcome. I feel like a little bit hype because I just had my coffee. Amboi, diam boleh. Welcome to my channel. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, not sorry. I feel a little bit hyped because I just had my coffee and it's good to be back. Welcome guys to my channel. Lama dah tak buat video sini. Okay guys, mungkin video ni anda nantikan juga. Mungkin juga tidak, tapi tak apa. I'm going to make a little bit of review video and a storytelling. Don't blame me why I make storytelling because this script here, you guys can see. You guys, boleh nampak tak? Cameraman, buat kerja lah. I've been busy lately. I've been busy with home moving and kemas tu, kemas ni, and this and that, and so kena pasang internet. Ya Allah, lambat dia datang. Padahal tak buat relocate lagi. Okay, so it took some time to me make some of the video. If you guys follow me or like my page in Facebook, you guys probably can see me streaming. So I a little bit active on that page. I stream a lot for now, and every midnight I will stream, and every evening at 4 or 5 I will stream. Basically like 2 times a day, 3 hours per stream. So yeah, let's moving on to the review. Okay, hari tu tak silap saya 12 hari bulan 12 hari bulan 4 I've been to KL game event, which dekat mana? Dekat Golden Horses Palace. Tak silap, dekat ballroom Golden Horses Palace. So bila dah dekat situ, meet a lot of streamers and meet a lot of gamers, my friends. We lepak a lot and we play games. I play Tekken. Is that how you pronounce Tekken? As usual, kalau ada game macam tu mesti ada lucky draw. Okay, so I'm the one who's lucky enough to bring back and show to my mother, show to my mom what I received for that event. Kalau tak, mak aku bising kok. So I'm the one of the luckiest person. I don't know. I can't believe it because I don't know. I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. Okay. So I had won this, guys. This green neon snake. This green neon, it's a Razer Kiyo. You guys can see, right? Nampak tak? Nampak? Boleh. Razer Kiyo, guys. Razer Kiyo. It's a Razer Kiyo webcam. So basically, this is probably I should say webcam yang boleh bandingkan dengan Logitech C922. Tak silap. Yang you guys can see here. C922, right? So this is the Razer Kiyo. So FYI, this is my first ever review. So yang mana yang nak kecam tu tolonglah kecam kat sini, okay? Kalau sekadar tengok je, kalau nak bahan aku, kalau nak bash aku,
JK.
This is my first review. Okay, let's go. Let's watch.
Alright,
let's open up this package. If you're wondering, every time you buy a Razer stuff, they will give you this son of a paper. Okay, so this paper is like congratulation note. So yeah, it's just like you it says like congratulations, there's no turning back when you buy that. So yeah. You guys can see the paper is signed by the CEO of the Razer. Okay, so let's put that aside, and let's take down. Let me focus this. This is the what do you call instruction manual. Yeah, alright. So it's nothing much. This simple book wrapped around a piece of plastic. Let me take it out. Okay, so yeah, nothing good about this. I mean, it helps you, but let's like give some information. Okay, let's gain some info. Alright, and oh, you got a freaking Razer sticker, so that's good. So anyway, that's the instruction manual. Let's put aside the plastic aside too. This is the bad boy. This is the bay. Let me take it out first. Hang on, let me take it out. So okay, so let's take it while you're out first and then take it out. There you go. Okay, so this is the product. This is the braided cable, which is 1.5 meter long. Okay, it comes with the rubber, I don't know, rubber holder. Can focus that? Yeah, rubber holder. This is the braided cable, you guys can see. Yeah, it's yeah, it comes with the rubber thingy with a cool head for the USB port, which is green. Say green. Okay, so this is the Razer's USB port. This is the first time I have received a Razer thing. Okay, so yeah, let's put the box away because it's smart ID. So this is the Razer product. As you guys can see, this is the ring light. Alright, let me focus that. This camera is so dumb. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me... Okay, there you go. Alright, this is the Razer. So you guys can see there's a Razer word, I mean logo, I don't know, at the bottom of the camera and the top, the mic itself. What am I doing? This is the tripod mount for the tripod. I'm using the Gorilla stand or the Gorilla tripod. I don't know, and it's come out like this, and it open up like this for your mount at the monitor. So it's kind of straightforward. You just put it, plug it in, and you play. Just plug and play. So yeah, nothing much. And you want to travel, you just close it like this, and it closes. Alright, cara untuk mengemam dalah ni just easy. You just open up the mounting thing di bawah tu, open up like this, and just lock into place. Let me lock it so it's a little bit loose. So dalam ni this thing you boleh turun atas bawah, up and down like that. So unlike the Logitech, I don't know what model of mine, but you guys can see mine can put it up and down and left and right. So you can put it like that, or you can turn it like that, because that's the function of the camera. So yeah. Alright, so this is the camera Kiyo punya ni camera Kiyo punya webcam, and this is the not C922. I don't know which is. So I will put the name of the model down here so you guys can see. Kau kalau kat sini dia lebih menarik dan juga lebih sharp. Kau tengok kat sini, you guys can see which is which. Okay, kat sini nampak dia 30 fps. Okay, kalau kita setkan dia kepada kalau kita settingkan dia pada 720, dia akan dia auto ni
Dia auto dia auto focus. Kalau korang nampak 720 ni macam tak berapa sebab dia tak sharp. Kalau kita guna 1080 dia lebih muka aku. Dia lebih sharp dan juga lebih realistik macam minyak muka aku. Okay, so let's try. Kita try. Okay, so back to the future. Okay, back to the review. Okay, you guys can see ni tak on lagi tau dia punya ni. So bila dah on, nampak ni macam lebih kurang nampak lah juga. Okay, kita ni low. Pergi ke maksimum. Ni adalah maksimum. Kau lawa tu. Wow. Okay, so this is the 1080. Okay, let's go move on to the Logitech punya webcam. Tak berapa sebab tak berapalah, tak suka. Okay, so kita try pula dia punya mikrofon. So mikrofon ni lebih kurang okey lah, not bad lah. Tak tahulah okey ke tak sebab aku tak dengar. So korang akan dengar ke tak? So ya, itulah. Alright, so move on.
Okay, so that's all. That's it for today. And see you guys in the next video. Lama tak buat video ni. Tekan thumbs up itu dan juga subscribe for more content. Okay, so thank you so much Silverware dan juga KL Gangster now.
Kalau lu miss, wakis lu. Die. Lu bye-bye mah.
KL Game Event. Give me this. Okay, give me this for this lucky draw, which is lucky. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys tomorrow. Or see you guys next video. Bye.